Much uncertainty surrounds next year's tax season, given the level of staffing cuts and need for improved technology. The IRS is looking at more than a 25% drop in its staffing, losing roughly 26,000 workers after taking into account employees who accepted an early resignation offer but will remain on the payroll through Sept. 30, according to the report. Like the workforce at many federal agencies, the IRS workforce looks very different today than at the beginning of 2005, Collins said. The IRS has been making progress in improving its phone service, but some setbacks could be expected to hit next year. The IRS answered about 12.4 million calls during both the 2024 and 2025 filing seasons, according to the report. But it's quite possible that millions of taxpayers will have more questions. Not fewer if some tax rules change under new legislation, as expected on 2025 tax returns that will be filed next year. Typically, the IRS receives more calls in years following significant changes in the tax law, Collins noted. The IRS also will need to quickly update tax forms for the 2025 tax year. With new legislation, the IRS is likely to receive a higher volume of calls, so it may need more employees, in addition to improved digital tools, to maintain this year's level of service next year, Collins wrote. The report noted that the IRS's Information Technology Group must reprogram IRS processing systems to reflect any changes that take place under the mega tax and spending bill in Congress. As of June. The report noted, IT staffing has been reduced by 27%, and taxpayer services staffing has been reduced by about 22%, or by more than 9,000 employees. The Trump administration's budget proposal envisions hiring a large number of taxpayer services employees to replace those who have left. But the taxpayer advocate says it's crucial to get them hired quickly so they can be trained before next year's filing season to process returns and deliver timely refunds. Collins said early preparation for the 2026 tax season will be essential to ensure the IRS can deliver both effective taxpayer service and secure operations.